Hey guys, it's Rady Dog here, up at the dog house, up at the Rady Dog Zoo, and I'm getting ready to show you some of these dog treats I got. Here comes my herd. Here they come. There's Bean. Come here, old Bean. Here comes Sarge. Here comes Barney. Come here, old buzzer. Here comes Barney and Bobo. You guys want a treat? Come here, Buster. Come here, buddy. Okay, here's 4 of the crazy of the 7, and I'm gonna give them this treat here. Pretty good treat. These are chews. These are long-lasting chews and kind of a kebab type thing. Let me show you. See, they're a chew. They have like a rawhide chew inside. You want that? There you go, buddy. Yeah, go take that and chow down. Here you go, Barney. Oh, there goes Bobo. We got his. They're gonna chow down on these. Here, Beanie, you want one? Here. There you go. Yeah, old Sarge is getting after his. Here you go, Barney. There you go, buddy. Okay, those are long-lasting chews. They have chicken and beef and duck, and very cool. Anyway, long-lasting chews. These guys love them. There's the bag right there, and pretty good stuff. But anyway, we've been using them for about 3 or 4 days, and we'll continue to use them. I'm gonna go outside and see if I can give one of my other dogs a couple of these. I've got my son's dog here. That makes 7 here. We'll pull these out, and I'll take these out here. I'll show you my other herd, the rest of my herd. Here, baby, you want one of these? Here, baby girl, she likes them. Mifa, here you go, Mifa. Here you go. Only one left is old. You like that, baby? Yeah. Get a hold of that. All right. You enjoy that. Okay, guys, that's what I know. Good treat. Long-lasting treat, too. They last a good long time. There's old Mifa over there. Anyway, good job. Good job, guys. Nice treat. Dogs love them. All right, y'all take care. That's what the old Rady Dog thinks. These are sent to me by a brand, as normally, and I don't do these reviews if my dogs don't like these. I'm not doing a review, but my dogs love these, and I think yours will too. All right, guys, y'all take care.